Thanks for watching my channel. Today, if you put in Google, which is the best and the top website and trusted website for regarding the website, I'm just gonna see that if you give like information or topic about the new mother, new baby born baby, you're gonna see definitely something like it's really important to get the information easily. But who's gonna advise you regarding this? Well, simply we can say that the most important, family and friends do not hesitate to ask for help. It's easy and simple things to do. So you open my channel and you going around my videos to find out what the right thing to do regarding the breastfeeding. So I just need to tell you I'm sorry about that, guys. I just got messages regarding they keep asking me. Okay, look, location online. Okay, we can go around here and see if there is any advice like a new mother, new life. Okay, first few weeks is very tough. Sorry, it's very tough. The mix of sleep. Oh, okay, everyone is a new mothers. You have to forget about the sleeping. It's gonna be really hard because the baby need to be feeding. I think around 3 or 4 times a day during the night, 4 times or more. I'm gonna give you the main information and the right one, which is you cannot go around with a baby, of course. So yes, I'm gonna do research. I'm gonna go advise with the doctors regarding this point, which is very important, and you can also use the Google website. Yeah, this topic, let's see general information, and this video you can write a comment for me and then I will answer you straight away. And thanks for watching my videos, and hopefully guys you like my videos and share to everyone to have more information. Thanks for watching me. See you soon, another video very soon. Thanks. Take care guys. Take care, new mother. Bye.